Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California: Calaveras, San Joaquin, and Stanislaus. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central San Joaquin County in Central California, North Central Stanislaus County in Central California, Southwestern Calaveras County in Northern California until 7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:36 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Eugene, or 10 miles north of Oakdale, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Oakdale, Riverbank, Escalon, East Oakdale, Eugene, Milton, Farmington, Del Rio, and Linden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties: California,